Got another whale. Oh shit. Oh shit. Right in front of me. Yo, whale right in front of us. He's right in front of us. We're okay. Just stay by me. Stay by me. Serge, get closer. Towards me. Yeah, we're close. Like literally close. Let him go past you, but stay behind me. Don't go in front of him. Beautiful, baby. Thank you. He's going for a deep dive. The tail just came up. Yeah. Well, she can get it. Oh shit, there's one probably right here then. Oh man. I'm fish on too.